This time on building terminology, the cut-in floor. The cut-in floor is a technique whereby flooring is placed between the wall plates after the construction of the external and internal wall framing and after the roof has been put in place. This was traditionally used where you had a strip flooring that you wanted to have exposed at the end of the job. So the flooring didn't go down straight away. It was acclimatized on site and then nailed down pretty much just before you're about to put your internal linings on. Nowadays, it's more common to lay a platform floor, and then if you want to have a feature strip flooring, that's commonly laid over the top of that again. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also follow me on Facebook.